Hey, what's up, everyone? Today is October the 22nd, 2021. This is going to be our FOREX stock prediction. The FOREX stock has been breaking out. I don't care what anyone says. You guys can tell that FOREX price has been on breakout ever since September. Towards the end of September, the market in Ford has been going up in price. We need to talk about that because we want to show you where we're going to go next, right? You guys can see from our last video in Ford, we told you that the price was going to go up. We were expecting the price in Ford to go up in price, and it did. So before I get started, to give you this very important update as to where I'm looking for the market to go now in Ford, make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're not going to give you anything confusing. We're not going to tell you that the price can go up. Oh, and by the way, the price can go down. No, we're not that type of channel. We're simply going to look at what the market is feeling to get in position and win. We're going to predict where the market is going to go. So let me talk about our last video in Ford, which was right here on September the 24th. You could go back and listen and see the video right now. It is in our Ford playlist. We're not hiding anything from our community, from our subscribers on this channel. We're keeping it real. If we would have gotten it wrong, you guys would have seen that as well. But in this particular situation, we got it right. The market in Ford hit our ultimate TP price right there on the 20th of October. Good call, right? 17.25% right there. Done. Simple. This is how you're able to time the market, get in, get out, take the bag, and move on to the next play. So now let's see though. Can we still see Ford's price go up, right? I told you on our last video on September the 24th that $16 is restriction, right? I told you all that. Okay, cool. Obviously, the market in Ford had enough momentum to break it, which is fantastic. $16 is not restriction anymore. No, it's not. So where do you think the next area is? Because we can actually see it already on this 3-day price chart. We can tell where the market can be expected to get hung up at, right? We can see where the market is going to pump the brakes in Ford stock right now. We can see it. Can you see it? Let me help you out because I like to show you all what my expectations are, where I'm seeing on a chart. Okay, this is it right there. This is the point that I'm looking for Ford to get rejected, for Ford price to stop, to pump the brakes and start to come down, right? Charts don't lie. Only fundamental analysis lies because you cannot quantify any monetary future earnings or revenue estimates on a chart. You cannot put a price on that information. The only thing that we can quantify is, okay, where have we already been and what did the price do, right? So look at this price chart. This is what the market in Ford stock did when it came to $18. What did it do? It's simple, right? Price came down right there. June 2014, the market in Ford came down. Got it. Right here, October 2013. What did Ford stock do when it hit $18? It came down. Cool. Right here, January 2011. What did Ford price do? It came down. Cool. Look at all this information. Like, we cannot act like we don't see this. 2002. What did Ford stock do when it hit $18? It came down. This is the next catch point. I don't care what anyone says. The information has already determined on numerous times that when the market in Ford hit $18, what did the price do? It came down. So as we continue to trade throughout the rest of 2021, maybe even going into 2022, keep our eyes focused in on $18. That is where the decision is anticipated to be made between the market as to whether or not Ford is going to continue to go up or will the price continue to go down. Keep our eyes focused on that. So I'm going to move that horizontal line right there. We appreciate this information because it makes our jobs all the more easier. So when the market moves up to this $18 price level, I mean, what would you all expect? Let's not be surprised to see the market in Ford come down. Why would we be surprised? The information has already determined what to expect. This is why we appreciate the market. This is why we appreciate the trap, the market specialist, because he continues to show us his footprints. While everyone else is out there telling us that the market is manipulated, cool. Okay. If the market is manipulated, then we should be able to tell where we're going to see a change. We should be able to tell where the market is going to get manipulated at. Can we not see it here on the chart right now in Ford? We sure can. $18. That is where the market is being manipulated. That's where the market changes the course. So let me show you all the market on the 2 weeks time frame in Ford, right? So we got $18 as the next point of restriction. Now we're not even that far. So if you guys really haven't been participating or in the play in Ford, you might want to wait regardless and see what happens at $18. Because if we still get strength into the market in Ford stock, let me show you. Because we only have about what? Another 9% to go into the market in Ford. Now, maybe that sounds attractive to you to try to come in and eat off the market in Ford. Maybe not. All right. But that's the spot, because if we see weakness come in around $18 in Ford stock, then we could take the opposite side of the trade and play the weakness to the downside. So this is not one of the plays where you got to hurry up and jump in. Now we could kick it, chill, relax, and see what happens as we approach that $18 price. Because the profitability to be had in Ford of us seeing the market go down from 18, it's at least 17-20%. It all depends on how low the market comes on this ascending line, right? But currently, this market is still wanting to go up. So who am I? Who are you to say that the price in Ford don't need to go up? For us, we just want to be in position to capitalize off of it, right? So far, the market in Ford, all in all, is still giving us some strength, right? It is. And we're going to continue to play that. Now, cool. We're going to play that strength into the market in Ford, okay? And as long as the price in the Ford continues to hold its support above 14, and especially alongside this ascending line, the market in Ford is going to continue to go up forever. As long as the market in Ford holds this trend, right? As long as the market holds this trend, the market will continually go up into perpetuity forever, right? It will. So that is how I'm basing this price prediction off of. As long as the market holds $14, it trades above $14, and price also trades above that ascending line, we already know where we're going to go in the long term. It's not hard. It's easy to see that. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Ford. I like what's going on so far based off the information that we've seen. And as we approach that $18 price, understand we can see the market come back down. Okay, so it's not going to be exactly $18. Don't hold me to exactly 18. It's going to be around that vicinity. Maybe 1790, 1785, who knows? But that's the location that we need to be on guard. All right. So let me go ahead and do this here. I want to bring it in closer because we're not going to wait until July of 2020 to see where the market is in Ford. All right. So let me clean up this chart. Let me fix my ascending line in the space. Right around there. And that's it. We're here. So this is my expectations into the market in Ford. We're looking for the market to continue to go up in price from a daily perspective, as long as we hold $14, namely this ascending line as well. So we can see the market in Ford still drop from where we are now. Another 27%, which will most likely cause a lot of news reports in Ford. The economy is tanking. Everyone will be scared. And we'll see the price hold strength on that ascending line. That is where we want to come in and buy Ford. I'm going to keep it real. As price were to drop 28%, that's an opportunity for us to see the strength come in right here on this ascending line with the expectation of the market going up. That's it right there. But We still got a little bit more strength into the market that I think we could kind of squeeze out to try to see this market hit $18, right? So this is my thoughts. This is my expectations into the market and forward. I want to know, what is your price prediction, right? Give me the next 3 weeks. Where do you think the market price in forward is going to be in the next 3 weeks? Give me your price prediction. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.